All right, now let's go on to exercise number 3, batteries in parallel. I've already have these things plugged in, and you can see there's a little bit of oxidation there, so that's probably why I was having a slight bit of problem in the last exercise with getting good electrical contacts. So batteries in series versus parallel. Well, these little batteries can be popped together like this. So what we're going to do is, just like the first one, if you look at your data table, we're going to measure the voltage of one battery. Okay, so actually it skips that. It says total voltage of the circuit for 2 batteries in parallel. We already know what it is for one battery. It's like 1.56 or something, right? So what about the voltage of 2 batteries in parallel? So now I'm going to put 2 of them in parallel. I still have one more right here. So what I'm going to do now is attach my voltmeter leads across these, and again I clip one on that end and one on that end. Okay, so I got my voltmeter leads, and let's see what I say. Oh dear, it's negative. What I did is I didn't look to see which is positive and which is negative. So what I've done is I've hooked up the leads in the opposite direction. So what I'm going to do on the voltmeter is I'm just going to really briefly switch the leads here. Just so it becomes out positive. All right, there we go. 1.532 volts. Now remember in the previous exercise, when you put the batteries in series, the voltages added up. You got 3 volts. Notice, however, now you get 1.5 volts. It's because in parallel, the left and the right ends, the right end and the left ends are connected electrically to each other. So the same voltage is across both of them in parallel. Now you probably know what I'm going to do. I am just going to slip another battery. Uh-oh. Of course, this one's got a bent lead on it. This does not want to go in. There we go. So now I have 3 batteries in parallel, and I still have my voltmeter leads. And let's go see. Same thing, 1.536. So no matter if you have 1, 2, or 3 batteries, they have the same voltage. So go ahead and write those results down. Voltage for 2 batteries in parallel, what's the expected voltage? Again, it's the voltage of one battery, which is 1.5 volts. Total voltage of circuit for 3 batteries in parallel. You write that down, and then what the expected voltage is just the voltage of one battery, which is 1.5 volts. All right, so that's it for the batteries in parallel and series.